What the hell is going on? Is the real estate market as bipolar as I think it is?
We're officially over 980 houses available.
Oh, I owe
So
you
you
a
owe me a
dollar.
dollar. You know, this is crazy.
Alrighty, folks. We got to ask Omar, real estate agent, broker, investor in the high desert. What the hell is going on? We have mortgage rates at 8% one day. Now they're at 7.5% the next day. We got the winter season. We've got no inventory. Is the real estate market as bipolar as I think it is? What's going on?
Yes. What's up, Michael? What's up, everybody? Yes, the real estate market in our area is definitely bipolar. Different, we're not talking about Orange County. Obviously, Orange County has its own little world, totally different. But anything surrounding LA, San Diego, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, where this is primarily where we sell real estate, yeah, we're tripping. So we're officially over 980 houses available.
Oh, I owe
So
you
you
a
owe me a
dollar.
dollar.
I
Yeah,
do owe you
but
a
for
dollar.
as many times as I cuss on the show, it's probably a wash anyway. So it
We'll call
doesn't
it
matter.
even.
Yeah. So at the same time, guys, this is crazy. Regardless of where the market's at, regardless of where the interest rate's at, inventory low, inventory high, people still buy and sell real estate. Okay, regardless, they still buy and sell real estate. It could be a little slower, it could be fast, because guess what? If someone's getting kicked out of their rental or they're going to get an increase, I would say right now, stay in that rental property because you're going to be paying more money if you go buy a house, right?
Yeah.
A lot more money. And it's not feasible. You got to think about it depending on your situation. But at the same time, you get an inheritance, you get a couple properties, you're going to sell the property regardless of where it's at. You don't care who's going to buy it.
Yeah.
So I have a feeling that there is a lot of, if it's any time to move up to a better house, it would be now. Because reason being, you could probably get a $40,000 to $50,000 discount on those bigger houses.
Yeah,
No,
dude,
no BS.
I feel very confident, Omar, that we are repeating Q4 of last year. Q4 of last year, if you wanted to get a great deal, it was buying luxury, and you could get six figures off. And rates
Imagine
were high.
that, 6 figures.
Yeah, six figures. In your market, that's a big number. That's like 20-25%, right? So,
dude, crazy.
I think if you're lucky enough to be shopping for luxury, now is your time. I also think that we're set up to have rates a little lower than, they won't be at 8%. I think there's a good chance we've hit peak rates. And my big question for you, Omar, is what happens if we repeat March and April next year?
Oof.
March and April, all this demand came flying. Like, remember all the flippers who bought in Q4, lost money in January and February, and then all of a sudden people were buying like crazy in March and April? That might happen again.
Imagine.
I think the setup is there, man. I think it's set up for
and
that.
If we have a crazy uptick in March, April, like you just said, what happens?
I'm starting to think, I haven't said this publicly. I think I've said it only once. I think there's a chance that home prices go up 5 to 8% next year, nationally.
Okay, so let's take into consideration $300,000 or $400,000 house.
Yep.
Right, our median home price goes up 8%.
Yeah, so it goes to 420 to 432. Yeah, and it's all because I think rates are becoming down, and I actually think the housing market has constipation.
Like it's just waiting to explode.
It's stuck. It's just stuck, right?
That's
and
funny.
How is it going to get cleansed? Lower rates.
And what's crazy is you're right. If they lower that rate, it's gonna open up the floodgates, in my opinion, for all these people that are waiting.
Dude, that's the biggest difference between 2008 and today. In 2008, when demand turned off, it turned off, never to come back. Today, It's backing up. It's just like, how many people to talk to? I'm waiting.
And I wonder, and everyone's waiting. So if the feds do drop that rate, man, fuck,
Dude,
dude,
we get to 699. 699 is the number. You got to get a
and what do you
six
think on
handle.
that?
What do you mean? I think it comes next year. I think it comes in Q1.
Q1 699. So you're saying that I should keep some of these other properties so I can have like a run up of 20 grand.
Well, again, you got to be able to carry it. I don't know if they're empty. You know, you've got, because like if you're going to carry it 5 months and you have $3,000 of holding costs a month, that's 15 grand. So is the upside worth it? No. Right. So I
No,
don't know the situation, but yeah, it's like if I had a rental that I wanted to sell, I wouldn't kick the tenant out today.
no. And
I'd
I
wait.
actually re-rented
Yeah,
like three of
exactly.
my properties just
There you
because
go.
it's like, yeah, I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah,
So it really could go
yeah,
this way. So I think it's really, I do think the real housing market is broken. I actually think it is constipated, and there is a good chance that rates falling relieves the constipation, and it might get pretty
damn.
interesting.
You know what? Then this is where you want to have a crap load of offers out there and you get a bunch of them accepted like December, January,
January.
even February.
Yep.
January, February, you pick up
Well, you
eight
get
to
them
10.
locked up. You get them locked up in January. You close in February, and then you come out
Yes.
April, May, June with product.
With a 6.9, 6.8, we got a $15,000 run up, 20,000, and that's going to be easy. In our market, we dropped to 380, by the way, 380 median
Ah,
home price.
there
So
you
it
go.
will hit 400, 410 again.
Yeah, exactly. Again, if we're right, this I could be wrong. Maybe rates would be 12%, and then everything, the world ends. So we'll see.
Fucking 12%. Yeah. Our conversation's a little different at that point.
Yeah, exactly. At 12%. Well, do me a favor, Omar. Where can people find you?
Guys, follow me on IG at Invest with Omar. I'm here to help you guys, or omaralfaro.com. We'll
Thank you,
see you
buddy.
guys soon.